Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we'll be having a proper tutorial on how to make our boho braid, which is popularly known to as goddess braid. So in this tutorial, the major things we'll be needing for this tutorial is our deep wave weave on. Yes, we can also get deep wave in human hair blend, synthetic and good quality human hair. And you also be needing your hair extension, and also you'll be needing your jam. Yes, you can use any type of your jam for this hair. So guys, let's get to action. What you need to do to have a very neat braid is you have to start by cutting your hair into different sizes and make sure that is neat. By the time you finish giving it a neat cut, you use your hair wax, which is your jam, to put in between the line. This will enable the lines not to come in between each other. You won't be able to mix up. This hair jam will just maintain the line that you've separated and give you a very neat and shiny hair after finishing. So guys, you pick this one step at a time. You give it the perfect cut, the kind of size of hair that you want. You give it a cut and start picking it one after the other. By the time you pick, don't forget we had a tutorial on how to make knotless. You pick it, you start by plaiting the natural hair first. After plaiting the natural, you can then add the extension to it. After adding the extension to it, you plait left, right, center. After plaiting it, you put your boho braid extension. Make sure you get a clip that you use to hold it and support it while plaiting. When you plait your boho braid, you take it to the upward direction and relax it on the natural hair so that it won't disturb the process. You repeat this process one after the other. As for the boho braids, if you want to add your deep wave coils, you can choose to add 2 or 3 in a line, but in this tutorial at the back side we'll be using 2 deep waves. You put one at the first beginning direction, you will put the second one towards the finishing. Don't forget that we are not going to plait this to the ending. You plait and leave some part because you also coil. Put the second one towards the finishing. Don't forget that we are not going to plait this to the ending. You plait and leave some part because you also coil the tips of the extension to make it look more beautiful. That is the beauty of it. So guys, we are going to repeat this process. You keep on repeating the process. You plait, just watch the video to learn more. Watch the video in case you are confused. Watch and see what is being done. Put it into practice. I'm sure you're going to make a very beautiful result. And it will make the hair lap. This is a center pattern boho braid, so you need everything, every detailed information to carry on this braid. So guys, you divide the middle part of it into 2. Make sure that you maintain a straight line. A straight line is the beauty of this too. Maintain a straight line. Put your boho braid. When you get to the front side, we are going to be adding 3 deep wave at a time. We are not going to add 2 because we want the head volume of this head to be full, not too full. So guys, at the front side is 3 that will be added. First one, second one, and the third one. make sure you maintain this energy to the other side too. You divide the middle part of it into two. Make sure that you maintain a straight line. So guys, to continue this process, don't forget to maintain putting the three boho braid you put at the left, at the right side too, and even at the middle of the hair, to give it that full volume of hair. You understand? So you do this, you repeat this process. Then after doing this, in this process, we are not going to put the boho braid into hot water. I can see a lot of people putting their hairs into hot water. This will make the hair to tangle in the process. You won't even use it for long, because it's not advisable to dip your hair into hot water. It's not advisable, because as time goes on, after that day, the next day, the hair will be stiff and strong, which will make the hair to tangle and spoil quick. So personally, I'm not going to advise you to dip this into the hot water. So if you want to do your boho braid, make sure that once you are done braiding the hair, make sure you carry a clip or band to hold all the woman hair, or the woman hair blend, or any, depending on what you are using for your boho braid. Make sure that no matter what, you don't dip it into hot water. What you should do is that you pack it and put the mouth of the extension, the one that you coil. Yes, this one that just as you are seeing this in the video, you put it into the hot water. By the time you are done, you allow it to get dry a bit and lose it to give you that same deep coils that will correspond with that of the boho braid. Make sure you don't put your boho braid into the hot water. I know why I'm saying this. Please avoid it. Then by the time you are done, you use your hair mousse and spray all over your boho braid. It will give you a beautiful result. It will give you a lovable result. So guys, if this information, if this video is so helpful to you, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel for more tutorial on how to do the things you love doing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video.